Hey, what's up guys? So the first foldable phone from OnePlus is confirmed to launch on October 19. The highly anticipated foldable is actually a rebranded global variant of the China exclusive Oppo Find N3. At this point we know almost everything about the handset, but now the detailed camera and display specifications have been revealed by Digital Chat Station. As per the tipster, the main camera on the OnePlus Open will be a 48 megapixel sensor paired with a 64 megapixel periscope camera with 3x optical zoom. The third camera is a 48 megapixel ultra wide angle lens. There is conflicting information about the periscope lens. Previously it was reported that there would be a telephoto lens with 6x optical zoom. But in my opinion, the 3x periscope camera is more likely to be present on the foldable phone. The OnePlus Open will have a display with 2K resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. It will have one of the brightest display on a foldable phone, maxing out at 2800 nits. This amount of brightness will make the OnePlus Open's display visible even in extreme sunlight. The main display will be a 6.82-inch OLED panel, while the cover display will be a 6.3-inch OLED panel. The OnePlus Open can be folded 400,000 times without any problem. For comparison, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 has a folding life cycle of 200,000 times. The first foldable phone from OnePlus will get last year's flagship Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 CPU, 16GB of RAM with up to 1TB of internal storage, and all of this will be powered by a 4805 mAh battery with 100W fast charging support. In addition, the pricing and sale date for the Indian market have also been revealed. In India, the OnePlus Open could be priced around 140,000 and the device will start selling from October 27th. So what do you guys think about the first foldable phone from OnePlus? Do let me know in the comment section down below. With that said, subscribe if you like, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.